Windows 11 might look clean and modern, but beneath the surface, it hides powerful performance settings that most users never touch. Today, we're diving into 15 hidden tweaks that can unleash your PC's full potential in 2025. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or just tired of slow startups, this guide is for you. Part 1. System Responsiveness Tweaks. Turn off background apps. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, background permissions, turn it off, and select Never. You can also manage the startup behavior of the app in this section. Because fewer the background and startup apps are, the more resources for what you will actually use. Two, disable visual animations. Windows feels snappier when you turn off fading and zoom effects. Go to File Explorer, then right-click this PC and select Properties. Once inside, head over to Advanced System Settings options and under the Performance section, go to Settings and then select Adjust for Best Performance. Now it might feel a little bit odd if you're too used to graphics, so you can turn on some options over here, but I'd prefer turning the Animations checkbox off so the GPU does not bottleneck too much. Part 2. Power and Hardware Boosts. Enable Ultimate Performance Mode from Windows PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell as an administrator, then run the following command. I'll paste it in the description. This activates Microsoft's hidden No Limits power plan. Adjust GPU hardware scheduling. Head over to Settings, System, Display, Graphics, change default graphics settings. Offload GPU scheduling directly to hardware for better frame pacing. I don't really have a GPU on me, so it is not showing an option, but you will be getting an option like this right here in this tab. I've attached this screenshot for info. Enable XMP memory overclock in BIOS. Boost RAM speeds with one simple BIOS toggle, if you have dual-channel RAM and a good motherboard. Part 3. Disk and Storage Optimization. Enable Storage Sense plus Cleanup Recommendations. This helps in automatically removing temp files and updating leftovers. Disable sysmain and diagtrack using services.msc. Disabling these services prevents unwanted background indexing and telemetry. Use trim for SSD optimization via command prompt. Open command prompt as an administrator and run the following command. It keeps SSD read-write speeds fresh and healthy. Part 4. Network and Performance Enhancements. Disable Network Throttling Index via Registry. This improves latency for gaming and streaming. Paste the path. I'll write it in the description. Set network throttling index to 8 Fs. Flush and reset network cache. Run the following command in the command prompt: ipconfig/flushdns netsh winsock reset. These commands fix hidden connection issues that cause lag spikes. Part 5. Hidden control tweaks. Disable transparency and animation effects. Disabling these effects saves GPU cycles and gives the desktop a sharp, professional look. Adjust virtual memory, page file settings. Let Windows manage the page file for stability or set a fixed size for performance. Just go to Advanced System Settings, then Performance Settings, then head over to the Advanced tab and click Change in Virtual Memory. Clean boot optimization. Boot with only essential drivers, ideal for troubleshooting and speed testing. Head over to msconfig and select Load System Services Only and do some tweaks in the Services section. These 15 hidden settings can transform your PC from sluggish to lightning fast. Try them step by step and tell me in the comments which tweak gave you the biggest performance boost. And if you want even more deep-level Windows optimization, subscribe to my channel.